Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Look at all these beautiful Easter eggs.
They are so beautiful. What color Easter eggs do you guys see?
We see 145.
What
See
colors?
145. I want to know what colors you see.
Blue and pink.
Blue and pink. So let's read this problem. Dean Costas has 145 pink Easter eggs. She has 8 times as many blue eggs as pink eggs. How many more blue eggs than pink eggs does she have?
She sounds like she's the Easter Bunny's assistant.
Seriously, that's a lot of Easter
That's
eggs.
a lot. Why do you have so many, Dean Costas? Good for you.
Yeah, that's awesome. Maybe we're gonna have a big Easter egg.
Wouldn't that be fun?
Yeah. So how should we start doing this problem? What do we wanna
know, guys?
We want to know how many she has.
How many what?
Blue eggs and pink
That's
eggs.
right. How many more blue eggs does she have? How many times? How many times?
8 times.
8 times? What should we do then?
We should figure it out.
All right, well, let's draw a picture
Let's do that.
to help us figure it
That's
out. We
okay.
have some pictures. Let's draw a bar model for pink eggs, and then since there's 2 things, I want to have pink eggs and blue eggs. Which bar is bigger?
Pink eggs. Maybe.
Are you sure? Let's look at it. It says she has 145 pink eggs. She has 8 times as many blue eggs.
Whoa.
8 times means that it's 8 times bigger. So which bar is bigger?
The blue.
The blue bar. So here's our pink bar.
Yep.
And how many times bigger is the blue bar?
8 times.
8 times. So that means that 8 of those have to fit, which means that I'm going to have to make this picture right here a
Really
little
little.
smaller because I need to draw 8 blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And what it's asking me is how many more blue eggs than pink eggs does she have? So that would be this space right here. That's what I'm trying to find. So to figure that out, I need to know how long the pink bar is and how long the blue bar is.
That's right.
Do I know how many pink eggs there are?
No.
Let's read
Let's
the
read
problem.
the problem.
Dean Costas has
145.
145 pink Easter eggs. So do I know how long the pink bar is?
145.
145. I know that the blue bar is 8 times as long. So what operation am I going to use to figure out how long
we
it
can
is?
count by
Well, this is 145.
times.
This is 145. This is 145.
Mrs. Sexton, that's going to be a long time adding those up if you do
what's
that.
a faster way of
We
adding?
can count by 145.
What
What's
are you
another word for
saying,
times?
Multiple.
So what are we going to multiply 145 times what? How many times are we counting it?
8.
8 times. So we're going to do 145 times 8. 5 times 8 is? What's 5 times 8?
40.
40. That's 0 ones and 4 tens. All right, now we're multiplying tens. 8 times 4 tens.
30.
32 tens. Plus 4 would be 33, 34, 35, 36. So that's 6 tens. Oh, 30 tens is actually 3 hundreds.
That's right.
8 times 100 is 8 hundreds. Plus 3 more is... How many hundreds is that all together? 8, 9,
10.
11 hundredths.
Wow.
And I can just write it out since that's our last place.
What does that tell
All
us,
right.
guys? What
What does this tell us?
1160.
60
does that
what?
tell us?
Ducks? Chickens? What does that tell us?
1,000.
Eggs? What kind of eggs?
Blue eggs.
There's 1,160 blue eggs, and there's 145 pink eggs. So how are we going to find the difference between 1,160 and 145? What operation will we use?
Division.
Mrs. Sexton said difference.
I said difference. If I'm finding the difference, what do? I'm gonna subtract. Good, so I'm gonna do 1,160 minus, what am I gonna subtract?
145.
Minus 145. Good.
Equals
All right.
what?
So, can I do 0 minus 5?
No.
Nope. So I have to borrow a 10. So instead of 6 tens, I have 5 tens. I'm going to trade 5 tens for 10 ones. 10 minus 5 is?
5.
5 minus 4 is?
1.
1 minus 100? 100 minus 100? 0. And 1 minus nothing is? 1,000. So we have 1,015 is the difference. So I need to answer that, Miss Huddle. Could you help me answer it in a sentence?
I sure could.
What should our sentence be?
Dean, your Costas.
Dean, can I just say Dean Y?
Dean Y has 1,015
Easter egg.
more blue eggs than pink.
Am I done?
No. We still need our challenge problem.
Oh, you're right. Let's go ahead and give them a challenge.
Yay! Mrs. Sexton,
Miss Huddle.
did you know that this isn't really true, but I like to imagine that Mrs. Sewell has, guess what?
What?
A rubber duck collection.
Oh my goodness.
Isn't
That is quite the imagination you have.
Sure is, and it really makes me quack up.
You're so funny.
So here's your challenge, your teacher high five challenge of the day, boys and girls. Mrs. Sewell has 119 yellow rubber ducks with hats. Okay, so the ones on the right hand side kind of wear little hats and things. There they are. There's the hat ducks. But she has 7 times as many ducks without hats. How many more hatless ducks does she have than ducks with hats? Good luck. And I hope you give a teacher a high five. Give a teacher a high five. Teacher high five. Give a teacher high five.
Have a great night.
You too.